Hey everybody, it's Ethio Aerospace Engineering Channel in Bahir Dar University, and welcome back to the channel. Alright, let's kick things off by busting some aerospace myths that have been floating around for far too long. First up, we've all heard the question, can a plane just fly into space? And the answer, my friends, is a resounding no! Planes need air to fly. It's kind of their thing. Their wings generate lift by interacting with the air, and their engines need oxygen for combustion, so no sneaking off into the inky blackness of space for our airplane friends. Now what about those legendary black boxes on airplanes? You know, the ones that miraculously survive every crash. Well, the myth that they're completely indestructible is mostly true. They're designed to be incredibly tough, built with layers of metal and insulation to withstand insane impacts, heat, and pressure. While they might not be totally impervious to absolutely everything, they're pretty darn close. And finally, why do rockets launch vertically? Why not just take off like a plane and gradually climb higher? Well, it all boils down to efficiency and escaping Earth's gravitational pull as quickly as possible. By launching straight up, rockets use their most powerful thrust to overcome the strongest gravitational forces first. Think of it like taking the express elevator to space. You want to get out of the Earth's dense atmosphere ASAP. Aerospace engineering is full of these kinds of head-scratching questions and mind-blowing answers. It's a field that constantly challenges our assumptions and forces us to think outside the box. Now I know what you're thinking. Aerospace engineering sounds incredibly complex with all its equations, physics, and mind-boggling designs. And you know what? You're absolutely right. But that doesn't mean you can't dive in and get your hands dirty, or at least a little bit dusty. One of the best ways to learn about anything is by actually doing it, and luckily there are tons of awesome hands-on projects you can try at home. Ever launched a model rocket? It's a classic for a reason. Building and launching your own miniature rocket is not only a ton of fun, but it also teaches you about aerodynamics, thrust, and the basic principles of rocketry. Plus, there's nothing quite as satisfying as watching your creation soar into the sky. Just make sure to follow all the safety guidelines and launch in a clear, open area. If building things with glue and cardboard isn't your style, you can always explore the digital skies with flight simulators like Kerbal Space Program. This game lets you design, build, and launch rockets and spacecraft, all while learning about orbital mechanics, gravity, and the challenges of space exploration. It's like playing with Legos, but instead of building a spaceship in your living room, you're launching it into the vast expanse of space, virtually of course. But the hands-on learning doesn't stop there. You can experiment with building your own drones, learn to code basic flight controllers, or even design and test your own aerodynamic models in a wind tunnel. A hairdryer and some cardboard can go a long way. The point is, the best way to wrap your head around the complexities of aerospace engineering is to jump in and start experimenting.